In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove imported contacts from another Gmail account. If you've ever imported contacts but have found yourself needing to clean up your address book, this guide will walk you through the process in a few simple steps. We'll make it easy, straightforward, and, most importantly, efficient. Let's get started with the first step. Open your web browser and head over to Google. This is the usual starting point for many tasks we do online, and today is no different. Once on Google's homepage, you'll want to sign in to the Gmail account from which you want to remove the imported contacts. This ensures you have access to your contact list and can make changes as needed. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Gmail accounts. After signing in, the next step is navigating to your Google contacts. This can be done by clicking on the 9-dot grid icon located in the top right corner of your screen, adjacent to your profile picture. This icon is Google's intuitive menu for apps, encapsulating everything from Google Drive to Google Photos. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu where you need to select Contacts. This is where all contacts stored in your Gmail are managed. Once you're in the Contacts interface, you'll see your entire list of contacts, including those you may have imported from other sources. To identify which contacts might have been imported, you could rely on a couple of methods. One way is to simply scroll through your contacts list and visually scan for names or email addresses that seem unfamiliar or that you know were part of an import. However, if your list is extensive, this might not be feasible. For a more efficient method, Google Contacts often keeps imported contacts in a separate label or list. Check the left side of the contacts page for any labels like imported or other contacts. Clicking on these might give you a refined view of only the contacts that were imported, making it easier to manage them. Now that you've found the contacts you want to remove, select them one by clicking on the checkbox next to each contact's name. Be sure to double-check that you're selecting the right contacts because once they are deleted, they will be permanently removed from your list. With your unwanted contacts selected, look for the trash can icon in the toolbar above the list of contacts. Click it, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you'd like to delete the selected contacts. Confirm your action, and just like that, those imported contacts are gone from your Gmail. And there you have it, a simple, clear guide to removing imported contacts from a Gmail account. Whether you're tidying up your list or correcting a mistake from a previous import, these steps should leave your contact list better organized and free from clutter. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips.